1. 1923 Ford T-Bucket Roadster. Price, $14,500, located Lake Havasu City, Arizona. The 1923 Ford T-Bucket Roadster is a stunning custom hot rod that combines classic open-top styling with impressive performance and eye-catching craftsmanship. Finished in a sparkling teal paint color, this unique roadster was built to attract attention wherever it goes. The seller describes it as a true head-turner, and its custom appearance, aggressive stance, and bright finish make that claim easy to believe. Power comes from a Chevrolet 355 cubic inch V8 engine that has been bored and upgraded with a performance camshaft, tunnel ram intake, and dual carburetors. Fuel is supplied through an electric fuel pump and aluminum fuel cell, while power is transferred through a turbo 350 automatic transmission connected to a Chevrolet 10-bolt rear axle sourced from an early 70s Camaro. With approximately 450 horsepower moving a vehicle weighing around 2,000 pounds, this T-Bucket offers thrilling acceleration and an exciting driving experience. Recent upgrades include a custom paint job, newly rebuilt carburetors, fresh fluids, a new aluminum differential cover, upgraded transmission pan, and a completely new interior. This Ford T-Bucket is ready to cruise, show, and enjoy immediately. 2. 1926 Ford Model T Coupe. Price, $20,000, located Cottonwood, Arizona. The 1926 Ford Model T Coupe is a custom-built hot rod that blends the timeless character of one of America's most recognizable automobiles with modern performance and street rod styling. Featuring a distinctive brown exterior and an automatic transmission, this vehicle offers a unique combination of vintage appeal and contemporary drivability. With only a few hundred miles reported, it presents itself as a fresh build that is ready for cruising and local car events. According to the seller, the vehicle has undergone extensive customization, with numerous upgrades and modifications incorporated throughout the build. The custom nature of the car ensures that it stands apart from traditional restorations, offering a personalized appearance and driving experience. The classic coupe body style retains the charm of the original Model T while benefiting from modern mechanical components designed for improved reliability and performance. Whether displayed at car shows or enjoyed on weekend drives, this custom Ford delivers the unmistakable presence of an early hot rod. It represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a unique classic that combines vintage design, custom craftsmanship, and enjoyable road manners. 3. 1923 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod Roadster. Price, $30,000, located Ladera Ranch, California. The 1923 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod Roadster is a beautifully presented custom build designed for enthusiasts who appreciate traditional hot rod styling and dependable V8 performance. Finished to a high standard and loaded with chrome details, this roadster captures the spirit of classic American hot rodding while offering the reliability needed for regular driving and enjoyment. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 small block V8 engine paired with a matching automatic transmission. This proven drivetrain combination has long been a favorite among hot rod builders thanks to its strong performance, excellent parts availability, and dependable operation. The seller reports that the vehicle runs and drives exceptionally well, making it suitable for local cruises, car shows, and weekend road trips. The extensive chrome components throughout the vehicle enhance its visual appeal and create a striking appearance in sunlight. Its open-top design, compact dimensions, and classic proportions provide the unmistakable look that has made T-Buckets one of the most popular hot rod styles ever created. This Ford offers a wonderful combination of show-quality presentation, V8 power, and traditional hot rod character. 4. 1929 Ford Roadster. Price, $14,500, located Long Beach, California. The 1929 Ford Roadster is a genuine piece of American hot rod history with roots that stretch back to the golden age of traditional custom cars. Originally campaigned as a race car during the 1940s, this unique roadster was later transformed into a street-driven hot rod beginning in the late 1950s and completed in the early 1960s. Today, it remains an authentic survivor from one of the most influential eras in hot rod culture. The vehicle features period-correct components throughout, including Buick running gear, an early Ford front suspension setup, and a custom stainless steel firewall. Additional highlights include an original metal flake steering wheel and numerous vintage details that reflect its long and fascinating history. The car currently wears primer and was previously finished in metal flake green during its early custom years. Although the vehicle has been stored for several years and may require mechanical attention before returning to the road, it remains an outstanding restoration candidate. Included club jackets and embroidered shirts further enhance its historical significance and collector appeal. 5. 1927 Dodge Coupe Street Rod. Price, $28,500, located Torrance, California. The 1927 Dodge Coupe Street Rod is a professionally customized classic that combines pre-war styling with modern comfort and dependable V8 performance. Finished in attractive metallic blue paint accented by hand-applied pinstriping, this street rod delivers a striking appearance that stands out at local cruises, car shows, and weekend gatherings. Its detailed presentation reflects the care and attention invested throughout the build. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine equipped with a mild performance camshaft and paired with an automatic transmission. This combination provides smooth operation, reliable performance, and plenty of power for enjoyable cruising. Additional convenience features include power windows, a tilt steering wheel, and front disc brakes, creating a driving experience that is both comfortable and confidence-inspiring. The custom blue leather interior extends throughout the cabin, including the seats, door panels, headliner, and trunk area. Recent maintenance includes a fresh oil change, fluid service, tune-up, and inspection. Ready to drive and enjoy immediately, this Dodge Coupe represents an excellent blend of classic style, modern upgrades, and proven street rod reliability. 6. 1931 Ford Roadster. Price, $57,000, located Pasadena, California. The 1931 Ford Roadster is an extraordinary custom-built hot rod that reflects more than a decade of careful planning, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. Constructed over many years by a dedicated enthusiast, this vehicle combines authentic early Ford styling with premium components throughout. The result is a one-of-a-kind roadster designed for long-distance cruising, outstanding performance, and exceptional reliability. Power is supplied by a fully rebuilt 1958 Buick Nailhead V8 engine featuring a tri-power induction system and numerous custom upgrades. The engine is paired with a rebuilt Super T10 manual transmission, creating a driving experience that is both engaging and powerful. Supporting the drivetrain is a custom perimeter frame with a professionally engineered suspension system designed to eliminate common hot rod handling issues while providing comfortable highway performance. The vehicle utilizes an original 1931 Ford Roadster body enhanced with custom metalwork, premium leather upholstery, Stewart Warner gauges, and polished nickel-plated trim. With thousands of hours invested in its construction and extensive documentation available, this Roadster represents a remarkable opportunity to own a truly exceptional custom hot rod. 7. 1931 Ford Model A. Price, $38,000, located San Diego, California. The 1931 Ford Model A is a classic American hot rod that combines timeless styling with custom street rod appeal. Finished in black with a contrasting red interior, this vehicle captures the spirit of traditional hot rodding while maintaining the elegant proportions that have made the Model A one of the most beloved Ford platforms ever produced. Its bold color combination creates a striking appearance that draws attention wherever it travels. According to the seller, the vehicle has been driven only a limited number of miles and is presented with a clean title and no significant issues. The classic body lines remain instantly recognizable, while the custom build provides a more modern driving experience than an original factory vehicle. The red interior complements the exterior perfectly and enhances the car's overall presentation. Built for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage automobiles with upgraded drivability, this Ford offers a balance of style, character, and enjoyment. Whether displayed at local shows, driven on weekend cruises, or added to a private collection, this 1931 Ford Model A represents an attractive opportunity to own a well-presented and highly desirable classic hot rod. 8. 1937 Chevrolet Pickup Truck. Price, $35,000, located Mesa, Arizona. The 1937 Chevrolet pickup truck is a highly customized street rod that blends vintage truck styling with modern performance and engineering. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this unique build stands out thanks to its extensive fabrication work and carefully selected components. According to the seller, countless hours have been invested into creating a truck that is both distinctive and enjoyable to drive. At the heart of the build is an LS6 V8 engine sourced from a 2004 Cadillac CTS-V, providing impressive horsepower and modern reliability. The engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, giving drivers complete control and a highly engaging driving experience. Additional performance upgrades include an air ride suspension system, allowing adjustable ride height and improved comfort on the road. The truck rides on Hostile wheels wrapped in Mickey Thompson tires, creating an aggressive stance and excellent traction. Inside, Sparco bucket seats and racing harnesses provide support and comfort, while Baja Design's LP6 lighting adds functionality and style. This custom Chevrolet pickup offers a rare combination of classic appearance, modern performance, and handcrafted individuality. 9. 1932 Ford Deuce Hot Rod. Price, $39,000, located Burbank, California. The 1932 Ford Deuce Hot Rod is an outstanding example of one of the most iconic vehicles in American hot rod history. Widely considered the foundation of traditional hot rodding, the 1932 Ford remains one of the most sought-after platforms among enthusiasts and collectors. This particular example combines classic styling with substantial performance upgrades, creating a vehicle that is both exciting to drive and visually impressive. Constructed with an all-steel body, the vehicle is registered as a 1932 Ford truck and retains the authentic character that has made Deuce models legendary. Beneath the exterior is a professionally built tube chassis designed to provide improved strength, handling, and overall performance. The seller also notes that the vehicle is equipped with a high-dollar engine and transmission combination, contributing to its strong driving characteristics and dependable operation. With approximately 5,000 miles reported, this hot rod has been enjoyed while remaining well-maintained. Combining classic Ford styling, modern chassis engineering, and proven performance components, this Deuce offers an exceptional opportunity for anyone seeking a premium custom hot rod. 10. 1929 Ford Model T Custom Hot Rod. Price, $41,500, located Lake Havasu City, Arizona. The 1929 Ford Model T Custom Hot Rod is a beautifully built street machine that combines classic Ford heritage with impressive supercharged performance. Finished in green and presented with a clean title, this custom build offers a unique blend of vintage styling and modern hot rod engineering. Its striking appearance and powerful drivetrain make it equally suitable for car shows, weekend cruises, and enthusiast gatherings. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with a blower system, delivering strong acceleration and the unmistakable character that supercharged engines are known for. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission, creating a combination that offers both performance and ease of operation. According to the seller, the vehicle has been carefully maintained and has accumulated only a limited number of miles since completion. The custom build showcases the creativity and craftsmanship commonly found in traditional hot rod culture while providing dependable drivability. With its aggressive stance, eye-catching color, and powerful blown V8 engine, this 1929 Ford Model T represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a distinctive and well-executed custom hot rod. 11. 1927 Studebaker Coupe Rat Rod. Price, $15,000, located Kingman, Arizona. The 1927 Studebaker Coupe Rat Rod is a highly modified custom build that blends vintage coupe styling with aggressive hot rod performance. Finished in a raw, industrial-inspired aesthetic with purple exterior accents and a gray interior, this one-of-a-kind vehicle stands out for its bold design and extensive mechanical upgrades. Originally based on a 5-window sedan body that was reworked into a chopped coupe, it delivers a unique and unmistakable presence on the road. Power comes from a high-performance 1985 Chevrolet Corvette-sourced engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and B&M shifter. The drivetrain is supported by a positraction rear end with traction bars, ensuring strong straight-line performance. Additional upgrades include front disc brakes, Mallory ignition system, and new wheels and tires, all contributing to improved reliability and drivability compared to traditional rat rod builds. The seller describes this vehicle as a fully customized, one-off creation with extensive fabrication work and performance enhancements. While it may still require minor finishing touches, it remains a strong-running and visually striking hot rod. This Studebaker Coupe offers a unique opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an unconventional classic with serious performance character. 12. 1924 Dodge Hot Rod. Price, $24,000, located Yuma, Arizona. The 1924 Dodge Hot Rod is a classic pre-war build that has been transformed into a custom street machine with a strong hot rod identity. Featuring the original early Dodge body style, this vehicle represents the spirit of traditional American hot rodding, where creativity and performance upgrades take priority over factory originality. Its compact size and vintage proportions make it an eye-catching presence at shows and on the street. While detailed specifications are limited, the vehicle is presented as a completed hot rod build with custom modifications intended to improve both appearance and drivability. The structure and stance reflect typical hot rod construction methods, designed to provide a lightweight and responsive driving experience. Its classic form remains the centerpiece of the build, maintaining the charm and rarity of early Dodge designs. This Dodge Hot Rod is ideal for enthusiasts who appreciate simplified, traditional style builds with room for personalization. It offers a solid foundation for cruising, collecting, or further customization, making it an appealing option for fans of early American hot rod culture.